Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to delete the softwares, or I can say the programs in our system. We will learn all of the ways to delete these files. So if this content helps you, watch the video until the end. I'm going to tell 3 ways to delete these softwares. Okay, the first way. When you install softwares such as the KM player, or I can say for example, KM player, IDM, Internet Download Manager, and these type of things, these new softwares, or I can say these softwares have the uninstall, I can say that exe file. So if you press on that, you can uninstall these softwares from the location. So right now we are going to jump to the screen. As you can see on the file location, when I right click and press on the open file location, we will see that we have an uninstall, I can say, the file. When you press on that, the software, it will uninstall automatically, and it will ask you the question, do you really want to uninstall this software or not? If you press yes, software it will be removed, and this is the first way. Okay, and I'm going to tell you the second way. The second way is good, for example, for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. All Windows versions can do this way and follow these things. Okay, on the search bar, you can type Control Panel, or you can press logo R, then on that type Control. And when you do this, the control panel is behave, or I can say appear, and on that you need to press on the programs and features. When you press on that, you will see the programs that you wanted to install, or I can say the programs you have. And when you select the, for example, target program that you wanted to uninstall, you right click, then you see uninstall and change. You press on that, and I can say you link to the uninstall place, and this is the second way. You can use another shortcut. You can press logo R, then type appbeat.cpl. When you press, or I can say you type that, it will directly, I can say, link you to the uninstall, or I can say programs, feature, and tabs. As you can see, these on the, I can say, computer screen. So this is the second way. The last way, the final way. On the Windows 10 and Windows 11, the Windows version that updates right now, or I can say they have the latest updates, I can say from this year, such as Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, they have on the setting part, they have apps and feature part. I can say you press on the setting, then you will see a box that is on the screen. You press on the apps and features. In here, all of the apps that install on your PC, it will show directly to you, and you can uninstall the programs that you don't want from here too. And some apps such as the alarm clock for the Windows. Okay, the alarm clock is for the Windows install it. You can't do anything on that. As you can see, it is on the screen. You can't do anything. You don't, I can say, you don't have the permission to uninstall it. And on the near future, I will create a video just for how to uninstall this type of, I can say, programs, and it will help to boost your computer, or I can say boost your Windows. It will change the speed of the booting, all of the things about your Windows. So if you like, and if you wanted to know, watch this video, subscribe the channel to get notified. Okay, right now we uninstall the software. For example, I installed KM player from my computer. So let's check and find out if the folder exists or not. It didn't exist. Okay, we delete it. Let's check it on the program file location. Okay, this is another way that this is the main way that softwares installed. All of the install softwares, I can say base location, main part installed on this part. So we open the C, the drive C. On here we will see program files and program files x86. x86 is for the programs that are 32-bit version, and the 64-bit versions are the program files. Okay, this is the difference between them. If your app, or I can say program, is 32-bit, follow and go to the program files x86. If it is 64-bit, go to the program files. Don't go to the program files x86. Okay, I open the, for example, program files and find the KMP layer. As you can see, the KMP layer folder exists, but when I open it, I don't see the software. I just see some DLLs and some folders, for example, language folder and these type of things. I don't see the, I can say, application. And it says that the app fully deleted, but the files and folders are still on your computer. You can, I can say, delete the folder too. The important thing that I wanted to do, or I can say I wanted to tell it to you, is when we, I can say, uninstall some apps and programs, the app and program, it will be deleted. Okay, but I can say the files and folders that the app create, they didn't fully delete it from your computer. And if you wanted to, for example, install a new version of the app, it might set errors and this type of things, and you need to uninstall, or I can say fully delete it from registry, do the other things, and many things. They are for the pro users. If you want to see this video, or I can say if you want me to create this video for you, type it in the comment section. I will create a video just for this, I can say, subject, and share it, comment it. I will create a video just for you. The way that I told you on this video can help you in 99% of the, I can say, situations. Okay, in some cases that you wanted to, for example, do the bad things such as cracking it and this type of thing, you might see the errors. Okay, this way is support, or I can say you can use this way at most of the times you wanted to delete the software, and you need to use the our video less than this. Okay, if you type it, I will create the video and share it with you. But 99% of the situations that happens, or I can say, we do these ways. We do these 3 ways to delete the files. I hope you like this video. If you like it, press the like button. See you soon.